Facebook edit action button option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account at the Facebook. Then tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on your profile. Then tap on the three dotted lines over here. So just tap on that. Now here you can see there is no option of Facebook edit action button. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and log into our page again. So we are going to switch to our page. Then we're going to tap on our profile again. So just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on your profile again. Then tap on the three dotted lines. And there you can see the option of edit action button. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.